Let's see how to access the command prompts and PowerShell on Windows 11. The simplest way to run CMD and PowerShell is by the Run window. While holding the Windows key, press R to launch it. Then type CMD and press Enter. To run it as an administrator, launch the Run window again, then type CMD, then press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and Enter. For PowerShell, it's the same, but instead of typing CMD, you type PowerShell into the Run window. You can also launch these two programs through searching for them in the Start menu. That's how to access the command prompt in PowerShell on Windows 11. See you soon!